I came to see Dr. Steve and came about this fine office probably about 5 years ago. 5 years ago, I was suffering from a bad car accident with sciatica. I had sciatica running down both legs. I tried everything from physical therapy to cortisone to different spinal therapies, not including chiropractic. I was always told to stay away from it. So I wanted to see what it was all about. I heard some fantastic things about Dr. Steve's office. I came here and I was in 2.5 years of pain from that car accident. Dr. Steve did one adjustment on me and I felt, I'd say, about 90% relief. Over the next month, got me back to 100% with no pain, with something that I've been dealing with for 2.5 years. So I came here 5 years ago and I've been here ever since. I come here once a week for adjustments, not only for me, my wife, but also for my 3 children. Yeah, one thing I like to say about chiropractic is a lot of people don't know is we've actually brought our 3 children. One's 8, the other one's 5, and our youngest is actually 2 years old. And we attest our kids all after being born and being adjusted. And the reason I bring this up is because if anybody's realized when your child was being born how rough the doctors are with pulling your kids out by their necks, we want to make sure, and we have with all 3 of our children, let Dr. Steve adjust our children pretty much a week after birth. And we've kept up with that 1 day a week, or best we can once every 2 weeks. We attest that to them sleeping all through the night. We attest that to their good health. 2 of our 3 kids have only had antibiotics once or twice. Chiropractic is tied directly into ear aches and things, and young children usually get that. We attest our kids' good health to come in here and keep them well adjusted, and as I guess Dr. Steve said, rocking and rolling with the spine. So our children's health and my wife's health, we really attested over the last 5 years to good chiropractic care. Coming here to world-class chiropractic is, I've explained to my friends before, it's like going to Walt Disney World. The reason I say it's like the happiest place on earth, you go to a usual doctor's office, very stuffy, very unemotional, very unfeeling. You come here, Dr. Steve and his wife Debbie, who's always here, and the staff at the front desk, they're always so nice, so positive. If you're having a bad day, they'll actually tell you to focus on the positive. It's unlike any other doctor's office you go to. So coming here is refreshing, it's a pleasure. And you can't say that about every medical or doctor's office you go to. So from coming to the front desk and being say hello immediately by your first name, instantly remembering you, asking you how your day's going, always willing to listen to you, or offering a lending hand if you have a question about any medical or any alternative medicines. It's all here. It's just a good experience. You know, scheduling here at World Class Chiropractic has been pretty easy. Debbie, not only do they try to strategically plan your appointments earlier, and what I mean is they'll ask you this week what you want to do next week. Besides that, if you call and say, can I be a half an hour late or can I come in a half an hour early, the office always really accommodates you. I haven't found a time in 5 years when they haven't. When I show up, it seems everybody's always raring to go. Dr. Steve is ready to do his thing, do his adjustment or whatever needs to be done. If any x-rays or anything need to be reviewed or alternative medicines need to be discussed, Debbie and the ladies at the front desk are taking care of it. We've recommended, my wife, not only me, but my wife, we've recommended a lot of our family and friends come to this office. And, you know, honestly, why wouldn't we? Like I've previously mentioned, it's like just coming to a happy place. And that's really hard to find today in today's busy business world. So we recommend friends, family, neighbors, people that we meet at our kids' karate, at sports events. And once they come here, Dr. Steve, usually they're long-lasting customers.